And now, First Warn 5 weather with meteorologist Alan Shoemaker.
6:43 here on this Tuesday morning. That means I have about 45 minutes to have a chance to maybe eat a little breakfast. So, food in the belly this morning. But if you are headed out for breakfast, walk, run, whatever outside this morning, it's still very warm and muggy. The cold front's not here yet. Not expected to be for probably about another 5, 6, 7 hours or so. So this morning it's still very warm and humid. We're dry in the area. Look off to the east. There are some showers and a couple storms out there. I don't think we'll see this rolling right into the valley, but a couple showers could flare up in the lower valley later this morning, but a better chance of some rain and even some weak thunderstorms like you see here forming across the area by midday and this afternoon. So I think there is a good chance to get wet today, especially say roughly from about noon through 5 or 6 p.m., kind of a midday and afternoon hours. Upper 70s to near 80 now. We're at 80 in Port Isabel with 79 in Brownsville, McAllen, and in Rio Grande City. And your day planner probably hitting the warmest part of the day right around midday. Upper 70s this morning at 8 a.m. and then a better chance of some showers beginning to form as we get toward about 11 a.m. and noon when the front's rolling in and the temperatures kind of peak right there in the mid to upper 80s. It's possible if we do get some sun breaking through, it might even hit 90 in a few spots right around midday and then falling back into the 70s with breezy north winds and a better chance of rain this afternoon, maybe even a weak thunderstorm or two, but we could actually have some areas get more than an inch of rain, just some steady or somewhat heavier areas of rain possible. Future track this morning shows dry weather initially in most areas, but you see as we get toward 11 a.m. and noon, more and more rain is forecast to show up, and then the cold front is moving in. Once a cold front moves through by around 2 or 3 in the afternoon in most areas, then there's still some rain left over, but the winds increasing from the north a little bit, temperatures falling through the 70s in the afternoon, and cooler weather continues this evening and tonight. I think the better chance overall of rain will start to end by sunset, but some lighter rain or some rain showers are still possible tonight and even at times tomorrow. So Wednesday should be a cool day with temperatures in the 70s for highs, but occasionally a couple showers around and mostly just some clouds though the majority of the day. By Thursday we start to see the clouds break up a bit at times, but a couple showers are still possible, but temperatures do start to warm up. One way to tell when the front comes in is to kind of feel the wind, and if you look at the wind projections here, the forecast by 11 a.m. shows right where the winds are shifting to the north and increasing right across the valley, and especially in the northern edge of the valley. So kind of about there is where the model says the cold front is, and then moving through, the winds increase from the north. Could gust to around 30 miles per hour at times as the front passes this afternoon. Rainfall chances at about 70% today, and I think the best chance of rain from about 11 a.m. or noon through the afternoon hours with rain or a thunderstorm. And then behind the front, still a few showers left over at times on Wednesday and Thursday, but the majority of the time should be dry with just some clouds around on Wednesday. At the coast there, we've been lucking out lately with some nice days at the coast, but I think today, as the front comes in, you want to watch for some breezy conditions this afternoon at the coast, maybe a shower or storm, and temperatures should hit a high in the 80s, but fall through the 80s, maybe into the upper 70s at the coast late today, and then only in the upper 70s to near 80 tomorrow, but with more clouds at the coast. Today, highs near 87, but showers or a storm possible, especially by midday and afternoon. 70% chance for rain and temperatures falling back from the 80s into the 70s this afternoon. So not a cold front, but 70s in the afternoon and breezy conditions are a lot cooler than it has been most afternoons. And by tomorrow, not as much of a breeze blowing, but a light north wind. Highs near 75 on Wednesday with clouds maybe all day or almost all day and a couple of light rain showers possible. Thursday, still maybe a shower or two in spots. The clouds may break up at times, highs near 83 degrees and then warming back to near 90 by the weekend. There are still some small chances of rain on Friday, and some of the models say maybe even 1 or 2 showers on Sunday, but another weak cold front arrives on Monday with another small drop in temperatures. We'll keep tracking in your First Warn 5 forecast here on Channel 5 News this morning.